Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video is going to be why Namaste stock tanking, my theory behind why Namaste stock is tanking, and Aurora skyrocketing after a crown upgrade. I'll talk about it in this video. So before I begin, I just want to say I just finished watching this movie, What Man Wants. I thought it was going to be a funny movie. The trailer made it look like a funny movie, but I thought it was okay. They had some funny moments, but overall, was it a truly funny movie? No. Did it have a good storyline? Kind of, maybe. I don't know, not really. I would be mediocre, not a must watch. If you have some free time and you're super bored, then maybe you want to kill some time on this movie. But that's my take on the movie, anyways. So just letting you guys know. Namaste. So there's a theory. My theory behind why Namaste stock has declined. It's just a theory. I don't know for sure, but I know Sean Dollinger and Corey both hold about 28 million shares in Namaste. If they were to sell off their stock because they're no longer involved in the company, the stock price would tank. They probably bought those shares when they were 20 cents. But that's what I think. I think is going on. I think some management is getting rid of their positions, so the stock is dropping. I don't know how much further the stock would drop. I still would not buy it at 88 cents. I'm still very worried about this company. If it dropped to maybe 50 cents, I might do a little swing trade play, but that's it. I'm not gambling on this company, but only if it drops to 50 cents. It may not. It may just bounce tomorrow. Maybe this corporate press release came out and it will help the stock bounce. I mean, I personally don't think so, but you never know. I'm not shorting the stock. I'm not. I have no shares in the company. I just want to talk about it because it's interesting. It's just like the main reason why I bought into Namaste wasn't because of the company. It was the management. Management kind of sold me on the company. They, just how passionate about. I was like, okay, I'll give them a shot. But the more I think about the company, it's just like I don't know. It's just like after Sean and Corey's no longer there, I'm just kind of like, I don't know about this company. Like, what does it really offer? Medical patients. They're not growers, so they still have to buy the product from another licensed producer. So I don't know, what is this company really giving shareholders in the future? I don't know. I honestly don't know. So we'll see where Namaste technology goes in the future. I'm very cautious on the company. I would play it as a swing trade gamble, but that's about it. I wouldn't gamble on its future being prosperous. So yeah, that's my take on Namaste. So they had some announcements today for near the end of the market order resignation and provides corporate update. So you guys can read it for yourself. It doesn't really sound like anything too groundbreaking, but maybe this popped the stock because there are probably some shareholders are bag holding the stock, hoping some miracle happens and the company turns around. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Good luck. I hope a miracle happens because nobody likes to lose money. And yeah, that's the truth. Nobody likes to lose money. And people who beg holding Namaste right now probably don't feel too good. I know the feeling. I sold out my Namaste. I honestly don't care too much. If it drops, if it drops to 50 cents, I'll buy some for a swing trade gamble, but I wouldn't bet on it long term. So let's get on to something a little bit more exciting. or not. Yeah, I guess it'd be exciting if you own Aurora shares. I own Aurora shares. I own 20,000 shares of Aurora, 20,000 US shares of Aurora. It's the volume right now is 38 million shares. It really strong run today. I think it may continue to run strong for the next couple days. We'll see. Maybe it'll drop back. Because like right now, it feels like the direction of Aurora stock is heading. It's heading to that $14 promise point. It may even crack $14. Who knows? We'll see in the future. But it's looking very, very promising right now. But I'm not gonna chase the stock. I'm gonna find other investments, and if one day after the hype and the excitement and Aurora stock goes to $14, it may just, crack, drop massively, and I'll be waiting for that big crack if that happens. It may not happen again. It may just go up to $14, stay there, maybe fall back to $10, and then bounce back to $14 and never go back down to $8, $7 again. That's a total possibility. I'm not taking that out of account. Aurora is growing as a company, and I do believe in the company in the long term. I honestly was an idiot. I gambled on a stock market crash when Donald Trump said, no, we are no longer buy the dip. I should have realized that, you know what, Donald Trump has the power, stock market is going to run back. I should be buying back into these cannabis stocks when they were trading around $6, $7-ish. I should have bought back in. I would have been really happy right now. I should have bought back into Canopy. I should have bought back into Aurora. I would be, I would have like $500,000-$600,000 more right now if I only did that, if I only made that decision. But I did. I chose to sell, and now I'm regretting it. That's life. Now I'm going to have to wait for a reversal in stock price, or I can find new stocks, which I'm doing. I'm finding new stocks right now. I'm finding new companies to invest into every day. I'm researching. I'm finding new companies. I'm finding new gems out there. I may get lucky again. So we'll see though. But I think I will. But we'll see if I get lucky. I might get unlucky and I might lose all my money. Who knows? But again, I don't have to be too greedy. And I'm a bottom hunter, so I could bottom hunt myself to a friggin' bankrupt company. Who knows? But I don't think I'm that stupid. But we'll see. We'll see. At the end of the day, if I lose all my money on the stock market, you guys will know for sure. My audience will know for sure. So I don't think so. I think my wealth will grow. I'm finding new winners every day. I'm researching very hard to find new good companies to invest into. Cronos also had a really nice massive move today. All those downgrades on Cronos, bunch of bullshit because it's going up. So yeah, like I think which Jeffries or some other company, I think it was Jeffries, downgraded Cronos to like $13 or something. So, but it's not doing that. It's going up. So all those guys are full of shit. Cronos is continuing to rally. It's staying up. Nice green, healthy numbers, not falling. Man, I wish I backed Cronos when it was like $1.73 to $2. It would have been a way bigger winner than Aurora because Cronos was $2. And now it's $30. That would have been a way bigger return than putting $500,000 into Aurora. But I didn't know, and I lost out. Oh well, that's my fault. That's my yes, that's my fault. Anyways, let's see. Let's talk about Acreage Holdings. Acreage Holdings upgrade, but yet it's falling. See, can't really always trust those upgrades. I still believe in Acreage Holdings. I want to own some US cannabis plays, and Acreage Holdings I think is at least a company everybody should have a little bit of. Just my opinion though. Because Acreage Holdings is the biggest company, biggest cannabis player in the United States right now, at least for statewide. So they're expanding very quickly, and they have some pretty good board members, I would have to say. Madman is holding up nicely. I thought it would fall even further. I thought it was gonna go to like $3.50, but it's holding up at $3.84, so it's holding up really nicely. Zenabis Global. So I invested into Zenabis Global. I don't know. I was just some guy was telling me to look into Zenabis, and I was like, okay, you know what? I'll look into it. I looked into it. I'm like, holy shit! This company has some pretty crazy assets. So I thought I'd do a little gamble on them, so I bought some shares. I may buy more if the stock keeps dropping. The stock IPO'd on January 10th. I have the article right here. It was a reverse takeover, so the company now is, but like, I wonder what happened if you bought the stock when it was like $2.25. Like, I don't know how reverse takeovers work, so I'm just curious how it would work, because it's just, I don't understand the chart. So I guess it opened at like $5-ish, crashed real hard on IPO, and trading sideways now. Eventually it's gonna stop, and then it's gonna move on an upwards trend. At least that's what I believe. Zenabis is a brand new company that just came out on January 10th, 2019. I think it has some wonderful assets, and the company is valued at $633 million. So to me, it seems kind of undervalued. But I don't know for sure. I still got a lot more research to do. Hopefully, maybe I'll do a dedicated video on Zenabis. But Zenabis does sound like an interesting company. That's all I have to say. Zenabis aims to be one of the largest licensed producer of medical and recreational cannabis in the world. See, this is their website. You know, they aim to be a big license producer, so they're gonna have a lot of production coming online. They're gonna be one of the big competitors. I don't know if they're gonna beat Cannabis, but you know, if they could beat Cannabis on revenue, this could be a very undervalued play right now. If Zenabis can somehow outpace Cannabis on revenue and Aphria on revenue, Zenabis I think is very undervalued. So we'll see where Zenabis direction it's heading, but I'm very interested to see their finances in the Canadian cannabis market. So I'm very excited. I think you know, long term, I think this could pay off. I think it's undervalued right now, but then again, I'm biased because I own some shares. I don't own too many shares. I don't want to disclose how many shares I own. My members do know. My members should know how many shares I own, so I send them emails of every time I buy something. So Cronos after hours down 40 cents. Kind of expected after a big run today. Aurora surprisingly not moving after hours. It moved a little bit, but not too much. We'll see if this continues. Cannabis growth after hours down 18 cents. It does look a little red tomorrow. Aphria down up 8 cents. So Aphria is kind of fighting the trend. Cannabis also fighting the trend a little bit. So Neo had his earnings, and guess what? Stock fell $1.75. Buying opportunity? Not yet, but it could be. So yeah. It fell. It's China's having problems. The stock fell back after hours. I wish I did a put option on it. I was thinking about doing a put option on it. I was like, I should put a put option on Neo because I think it's gonna fall. But I was scared and I didn't do it because, you know, what happened if I was wrong? I could lose the money. So I didn't do it, but I was thinking of it. I could have made, you know, pretty decent coin if I did. Oh well, that's life. Tesla is up. So NIO goes down, Tesla goes up. How ironic, I guess. But it's not too much. It's only up 71 cents. I still think Tesla's still under a huge amount of pressure right now. There's lots of bears attacking Tesla right now, saying Tesla's gonna go to $100. It's possible. I would love to see the stock at $100. I would definitely be buying a lot more shares at $100. So I would love to see Tesla at $100. I don't think that's gonna happen, but I wouldn't take that possibility out. But I'm not aiming for $100. I'm aiming for like $250 and $200 if I get lucky enough for the stock to go to $200. Definitely gonna be buying on the way down. Okay. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And have a great day. Bye.